Design of buildings. Design of building consists of two parts. First is architecture and second one is the structure. Basically, design when we design the building, the design consists of two parts. The first part consists of all the architectural part, and second part is consists of all the structure design. Structure part, architecture part, design part consists of three types: functions, forms, and utility. And the structure part divided into two parts: load bearing and frame structure. Uh, Frame structure uh, consists of three parts: RCC, steel, and timber. Let me introduce RCC. RCC design basically all the buildings in the today's uh, period built by RCC designs. All the buildings should be nowadays is all RCC. So RCC buildings divides is design based buildings. Yeah, design based buildings. So design based on working stress method. The second one is the limit state method. Limit state method. So design based buildings so consists of four parts. That is RCC consists of always consists in the four parts. It is one design based. It's like the first RCC is slab, second one is footing, third one is beam, and the fourth one is columns. Now architecturals, the functions, forms, utility combines into the submissions drawing. Submission drawings basically used for to develop uh, used for to get um, what we say get permission from the government authority. A submission drawing is made for that for the to get the approval from the authority. Uh, After that, when we get the some approval from the authority, we make the working drawings. For the working drawings means we make the plans, elevation sections, and details. The construction part for the site. After that, the mixtures of these slab footings and beams and columns. The structure drawing, we make the structure plans with the schedule. All the with the mixtures of all the two. If we complete, if we combine the working drawings and structure drawings, there is a complete set of architecture and structure drawing is made. Thank you.